Greetings from Exam Heist. We have identified important exam questions. Practice these important questions 2-3 times to get 100% success in exam. Subscribe and comment, share PDF in the below comment section to get PDF of these 40 important questions. If you want to access full dump, please visit www.examheist.com. We have 24/7 support available for your doubts and exam queries.
Question 1. An administrator accidentally deleted the boot VM Linux file and must resolve the issue before the server is rebooted. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to identify the correct version of this file? Option A. rpmka grep kernel unamer. Option B. yum-y update shutdown now. Option C. cat etc CentOS release rpmuvh nodups. Option D. Telenet 1 restock on rv boot. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, rpmka grep kernel uname. Question 2. A cloud engineer needs to change the secure remote login port from 22 to 49,000. Which of the following files should the engineer modify to change the port number to the desired value? Option A. etc host conference. Option B. etc hostname. Option C. etc services. Option D. etc sshd_config. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, etc sshd_config. Question 3. A new file was added to a main Git repository. An administrator wants to synchronize a local copy with the contents of the main repository. Which of the following commands should the administrator use for this task? Option A. git reflog. Option B. git pull. Option C. git status. Option D. git push. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, git pull. Question 4. A Linux administrator needs to redirect all HTTP traffic temporarily to the new proxy server 192.0.2.25 on port 3128. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? Option A. IP tables tnat dpreroutingptcp sport 80jdn80 to destination 192.0.2.25 3128. Option B. IP tables tnat a prerouting ptop d port 81jdn80 to destination 192.0.2.25 3129. Option C. IP tables tnat I prerouting ptop sport 80jdn80 to destination 192.0.2.25 3129. Option D. IP tables tnat A prerouting ptcp d port 80jdn80 to destination 192.0.2.25 3128. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. IP tables tnat A prerouting ptcp d port 80jdn80 to destination 192.0.2.25 3128. Question 5. Developers have requested implementation of a persistent static root on the application server. Packets sent over the interface at 0 to 10. 0, 2, 1, 3. 5:30 seconds should be routed via 10. 0, 5, 1. Which of the following commands should the administrator run to achieve this goal? Option A. root ietho p add 10. 0, 2, 1, 3. 1. Option B. Root modify h0 plus IPv4. Roots 10, 0, 213, 530 seconds 10, 0, 5, 1 inch. Option C. Echo 10, 0, 213, 510, 0, 5, 1 h0 inches greater than proc net root. Option D. IP root add 10, 0, 213, 530 seconds via 10, 0, 5, 1 Dev h0. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. IP root add 10.0.213.5/32 via 10.0.5.1 Dev h0. Question 6. A user is asking the system's administrator for assistance with writing a script to verify whether a file exists. Given the following, which of the following commands should replace the less than conditional greater than string? Option A. If f $filename, then. Option B. If d $filename, then. Option C. If f $filename, then. Option D. If f $filename, while. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. If f $filename, then. Question 7. A systems administrator is deploying 3 identical cloud-based servers. The administrator is using the following code to complete the task. Which of the following technologies is the administrator using? Option A. Ansible. Option B. Puppet. Option C. Chef. Option D. Terraform. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Terraform. Question 8. Which of the following technologies can be used as a central repository of Linux users and groups? Option A. LDAP. Option B. MFA. Option C. SSO. Option D. PUM. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. LDAP. Question 9. A systems administrator is troubleshooting connectivity issues and trying to find out why a Linux server is not able to reach other servers on the same subnet it is connected to. When listing link parameters, the following is presented. Based on the output above, which of following is the most probable cause of the issue? Option A. The address AC 00, 11, 22, 33. CD is not a valid Ethernet address. Option B. The Ethernet broadcast address should be AC 00, 11, 22, 33, FF instead. Option C. The network interface H0 is using an old kernel module. Option D. The network interface cable is not connected to a switch. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. The network interface cable is not connected to a switch. Question 10. A Linux administrator was asked to run a container with the HTTPD server inside. This container should be exposed at port 443 of a Linux host machine while it internally listens on port 8443. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? Option A. Podman run dp443 8443 httpd. Option B. Podman run dp 8443 443 httpd. Option C. Podman run da 443 8443 httpd. Option D. Podman exec p 8443 443 httpd. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Podman run dp 443 is to 8443 httpd. Question 11. A Linux administrator needs to analyze a failing application that is running inside a container. Which of the following commands allows the Linux administrator to enter the running container and analyze the logs that are stored inside? Option A. Docker run t-app, bin, sh. Option B. Podman exec t-app, bin, sh. Option C. Podman run d-app, bin, bash. Option D. Docker exec d-app, bin, bash. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Podman exec t-app, bin, sh. Question 12. Our system's administrator needs to clone the partition dev sdc1 to dev sdd1. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? Option A. tar-cvzf, dev sdd1, dev sdc1. Option B. async, dev sdc1, dev sdd1. Option C. dd if equals, dev sdc1 of equals, dev sdd1. Option D. scp, dev sdc1, dev sdd1. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. dd if equals, dev sdc1 of equals, dev sdd1. Question 13. When trying to log in remotely to a server, a user receives the following message. The server administrator is investigating the issue on the server and receives the following outputs. Which of the following is causing the issue? Option A. The wrong permissions are on the user's home directory. Option B. The account was locked out due to 3 failed logins. Option C. The user entered the wrong password. Option D. The user has the wrong shell assigned to the account. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. The user has the wrong shell assigned to the account. Question 14. A new Linux systems administrator just generated a pair of SSH keys that should allow connection to the servers. Which of the following commands can be used to copy a key file to remote servers? Choose 2. Option A. wget. Option B. SSH keygen. Option C. SSH keyscan. Option D. SSH copyid. Option A. FTPD. Option F. SCP. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. SSH copyid. Option F. SCP. Question 15. A systems administrator needs to reconfigure a Linux server to allow persistent IPv4 packet forwarding. Which of the following commands is the correct way to accomplish this task? Option A. Echo 1 greater than proc sys net IPv4 IPv_forward. Option B. SYSCTLW net IPv4 IP_forward equals 1. Option C. Firewall CMD enable IPv4_forwarding. Option D. Systemctl start IPv4_forwarding. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. SYSCTLWnet.IPv4 IP_forward equals 1. Question 16. A Linux administrator would like to use systemd to schedule a job to run every 2 hours. The administrator creates timer and service definitions and restarts the server to load these new configurations. After the restart, the administrator checks the log file and notices that the job is only running daily. Which of the following is most likely causing the issue? Option A. The check disk space service is not running. Option B. The check disk space service needs to be enabled. Option C. The on-calendar schedule is incorrect in the timer definition. Option D. The system daemon services need to be reloaded. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. The on-calendar schedule is incorrect in the timer definition. Question 17. An administrator deployed a Linux server that is running a web application on port 6379, TCP. SE-Linux is in enforcing mode based on organization policies. The port is open on the firewall. Users who are trying to connect to a local instance of the web application receive error 13. Permission denied. The administrator ran some commands that resulted in the following output. Which of the following commands should be used to resolve the issue? Option A. Semanage port DTHTTP_port_TP TCP6379. Option B. Semanage port ATHTTP_port_TP TCP6379. Option C. Semanage port HTTP_port_TP top 6379. Option D. Semanage port LTHTTP_port_TCP 6379. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Semanage port ATHTTP_port_TP TCP 6379. Question 18. A systems administrator created a web server for the company and is required to add a tag for the API so end users can connect. Which of the following would the administrator do to complete this requirement? Option A. Hostname CTL status, no ask password. Option B. Hostname CTL set hostname, $. Print, A, x86. Quote. Option C. Hostname CTL set hostname comptia web node h. Email protected. Option D. Hostname CTL set hostname comptia web node. Transient. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Hostname CTL set hostname comptia web node h. Email protected. Question 19. A systems administrator wants to backup the directory, data and all its contents to backup data on a remote server named remote. Which of the following commands will achieve the desired effect? Option A. SCPP, data remote. Backup, data. Option B. SSHI, remote. Backup, data. Option C. Async A, data remote. Backup. Option D. CPR, data, remote, backup. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Async A, data remote skeptical smiley face, backup. Question 20. An administrator needs to make some changes in the IAC declaration templates. Which of the following commands would maintain version control? Option A. Git clone https github.com comptia linux plus gitget push origin. Option B. Git clone https github.com comptia linux plus gitget fetch new branch. Option C. Git clone https github.com comptia linux plus gitget status. Option D. Git clone https github.com comptia linux plus gitget checkout b less than new branch greater than. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Git clone https github.com comptia linux plus gitget checkout b less than new branch greater than. Question 21. An administrator attempts to rename a file on a server but receives the following error. The administrator then runs a few commands and obtains the following output. Which of the following commands should the administrator run next to allow the file to be renamed by any user? Option A. chgrp read files. Option B. chal r644 files. Option C. chown users files. Option D. chmod t files. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. chmod t files. Question 22. Which of the following commands will display the operating system? Option A. uname N. Option B. uname S. Option C. uname O. Option D. uname M. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, uname O. Question 23. A Linux administrator recently downloaded a software package that is currently in a compressed file. Which of the following commands will extract the files? Option A. unzip v. Option B. bzip2z. Option C. gzip. Option D. funzip. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, unzip v. Question 24. A Linux administrator is troubleshooting SSH connection issues from one of the workstations. When users attempt to log in from the workstation to a server with the IP address 104.21.75.76, they receive the following message. The administrator reviews the information below. Which of the following is causing the connectivity issue? Option A. The workstation has the wrong IP settings. Option B. The SSHD service is disabled. Option C. The service firewall is preventing connections from being made. Option D. The server has an incorrect default gateway configuration. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. The service firewall is preventing connections from being made. Question 25. Which of the following files holds the system configuration for journal when running systemd? Option A. etc. systemd, journaled. Conference. Option B. etc. systemd, systemd journal ctl. Conference. Option C. usr, lib, systemd, journal ctl. Conference. Option D. etc. systemd, systemd journaled. Conference. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A /etc/system/journal.conf. Question 26. A Linux administrator is tasked with creating resources using containerization. When deciding how to create this type of deployment, the administrator identifies some key features, including portability, high availability, and scalability in production. Which of the following should the Linux administrator choose for the new design? Option A. Docker. Option B. On-premises systems. Option C. Cloud-based systems. Option D. Kubernetes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Kubernetes. Question 27. Which of the following tools is commonly used for creating CI/CD pipelines? Option A. Chef. Option B. Puppet. Option C. Jenkins. Option D. Ansible. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, Jenkins. Question 28. A systems administrator requires that all files that are created by the user named web have read-only permissions by the owner. Which of the following commands will satisfy this requirement? Option A. chown web, web, home, web. Option B. chmod r400, home, web. Option C. echo, umask 377 inches greater than, home, web. Bushros. Option D. setfacial read, home, web. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, echo, umask 377 inches greater than, home, web, Bushros. Question 29. A systems administrator is tasked with preventing logins from accounts other than root. While the file, etc, nlogin exists. Which of the following PUM modules will accomplish this task? Option A. PUM_login. So. Option B. PUM_access. So. Option C. PUM_logindef. So. Option D. PUM_nlogin. So, choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, pum_nalogen.so. Question 30. A systems administrator has been tasked with disabling the nginx service from the environment to prevent it from being automatically and manually started. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? Option A. systemctl cancel nginx. Option B. systemctl disable nginx. Option C. systemctl mask nginx. Option D. systemctl stop nginx. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, systemctl mask nginx. Question 31. A Linux administrator is troubleshooting an issue in which an application service failed to start on a Linux server. The administrator runs a few commands and gets the following outputs. Based on the above outputs, which of the following is the most likely action the administrator should take to resolve this issue? Option A. Enable the log search service and restart the service. Option B. Increase the timeout start usec configuration for the log search switch. A. Option C. Update the on calendar configuration to schedule the start of the log search service. Option D. Update the kill signal configuration for the log search service to use term. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Increase the timeout start usec configuration for the log search switch. A. Question 32. A Linux administrator has installed a web server, a database server, and a web application on a server. The web application should be active in order to render the web pages. After the administrator restarts the server, the website displays the following message in the browser: error establishing a database connection. The Linux administrator reviews the following relevant output from the systemd init files. The administrator needs to ensure that the database is available before the web application is started. Which of the following should the administrator add to the HTTP server service file to accomplish this task? Option A. Triggers equals MariaDB service. Option B. OnFailure equals MariaDB service. Option C. Wanted by equals MariaDB service. Option D. Requires equals MariaDB service. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, requires equals MariaDB service. Question 33. Several users reported that they were unable to write data to the Oracle1 directory. The following output has been provided. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to diagnose the issue? Option A. dfi Oracle1. Option B. fdisk-1 dev sdb1. Option C. lsblk dev sdb1. Option D. do sh Oracle1. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, dfi Oracle1. Question 34. After installing some RPM packages, a systems administrator discovers the last package that was installed was not needed. Which of the following commands can be used to remove the package? Option A. dnf remove package name. Option B. apt-get remove package name. Option C. rpmi package name. Option D. apt remove package name. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, dnf remove package name. Question 35. A systems administrator is checking the system logs. The administrator wants to look at the last 20 lines of a log. Which of the following will execute the command? Option A. tail v20. Option B. tail n20. Option C. tail c20. Option D. tail l20. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B tail N20. Question 36. An administrator is trying to diagnose a performance issue and is reviewing the following output. System properties. CPU. 4 vCPU memory. 40 GB disk maximum IOPS. 690 disk maximum throughput. 44 megabits per second, 44,000 kbps based on the above output. Which of the following best describes the root cause? Option A. The system has reached its maximum IOPS, causing the system to be slow. Option B. The system has reached its maximum permitted throughput. Therefore IOA is increasing. Option C. The system is mostly idle. Therefore the IOA is high. Option D. The system has a partition disk, which causes the IOPS to be doubled. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The system has reached its maximum IOPS, causing the system to be slow. Question 37. A systems administrator wants to test the route between IP address 10.0.2.15 and IP address 192.168.1.40. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? Option A. Route A get to 192.168.1.40 from 10.0.2.15. Option B. IP route get 192.163.1.40 from 10.0.2.15. Option C. IP route 192.169.1.40 to 10.0.2.15. Option D. Route N 192.168.1.40 from 10.0.2.15. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. IP route get 192.163.1.40 from 10.0.2.15. Question 38. A Linux administrator was tasked with deleting all files and directories with names that are contained in a .soberlete text file. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? Option A. X args fcat to delete text room. Option B. Room drf to delete text. Option C. Cat to delete text room frd. Option D. Cat to delete text x args room rf. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Cat to delete.txt x args room rf. Question 39. A Linux administrator is troubleshooting the root cause of a high CPU load in average. Which of the following commands will permanently resolve the issue? Option A. Renice n-26295. Option B. PS3 P6295. Option C. iostat psi15. Option D. kill-96295. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. kill-96295. Question 40. A Linux administrator wants to set the SUID of a file named dev_team text with 744 access rights. Which of the following commands will achieve this goal? Option A. chmod 4744 dev_team text. Option B. chmod 744 setweed dev_team text. Option C. chmod c744 dev_team text. Option D. chmod v4744 suite dev_team text. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. chmod 4744 dev_team.txt.